Welcome back. Today is day 2 of understanding anxiety so you can do something about it and feel stronger and more prepared for 2025. Today we're talking about the vagus nerve. This is a very important part of your body's calming system. The vagus nerve is like a superhighway connecting your brain to your body. It affects your heart rate, breathing, digestion, tension, sleep, memory, and so much more. Symptoms can appear anywhere in your body. So when you're anxious, this nerve signals the fight or flight response. This is your body's natural way of protecting you when it senses danger, whether it's real or imagined, quickly preparing you to either face the threat or get away from it, increasing your heart rate, breathing, and energy levels so that you can run if you need to. But here's the good news. You can actually reset your vagus nerve to help you feel calmer. Let's do that now. The following exercise is to activate your vagus nerve with a simple breathing technique. It's a bit unconventional, but it actually works, and I have taught it to thousands of people. It's called the vagus nerve VU breathing. And who guessed that? It's a simple technique that helps you calm your body and your mind. It works by stimulating the vagus nerve, which helps your body relax and feel safe. This is really great for reducing anxiety and stress. It works by doing the following 3 things. 1, it activates calm. The sound vibration that you create in your throat when you do the exercise will help your body switch from stress mode to relax mode. That's pretty good. It slows your heart rate. It helps you lower your heart rate, making you feel calmer. It also eases anxiety. That's a reason to do it, just for that. And it helps you feel grounded and more in control during tough moments. So let's do this now. Get comfortable by sitting or lying down in a quiet place where you can relax and you won't be disturbed. Take a deep breath in by breathing in slowly through your nose until your lungs are full, but not forcing it. As you breathe out, say the word VOO, that's VOO, in a low tone, like a soft hum. Try to feel the sound vibration in your throat and in your chest. The sound of VOO will act like a massage on the vagus nerve, telling it to relax. Pay attention to the soothing vibration as you exhale. Know that there's no pause between the exhale and the inhale. It's just a continuous breath. Let me do that with you now. I'll give you an example. Breathing in, as I breathe out, I say the word VOO. 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 It's a very simple exercise, but it has very profound effects. I recommend that you start your day with this exercise and try to do it from 2 to 5 minutes, 3 to 5 times a day. VOO breathing is easy, quick, and can help you feel calm anytime you need it. People do it in the shower, while they're driving, as long as you're keeping your eyes on the road, and anywhere that you can have some privacy to do this breath work. If you'd like more tools for calming anxiety, my online guided meditations and my workbook, just go to my website at www.everallwellness.ca and look for my Spiritual Warrior Guide to Healing workbook that offers step-by-step exercises for relaxation and stress relief. Thank you, and I'll speak with you tomorrow.